Reasons to oppose nuclear energy. A major environmental concern related to nuclear power is the creation of radioactive waste such as uranium mill tailing, used reactor fuel, and other radioactive waste. Considering its negative impact, nuclear energy is not a climatic solution. It may produce lower carbon energy, but this energy comes with a great deal of risk. In this video, we'll learn reasons to oppose nuclear energy. Nuclear waste and pollution generated by nuclear reactors remain radioactive for tens to hundreds of thousands of years. They also contain extremely poisonous chemicals like plutonium. Currently, there are no long-term storage solution for radioactive waste, and most is stored in temporary above-ground facilities. Nuclear proliferation. There is a great concern that the development of nuclear energy program increases the likelihood of proliferation of nuclear weapons. As nuclear fuel and technologies become globally available, the risk of these falling into the wrong hands is increasingly present. Accidents. In addition to the risk posed by terrorist attacks, human error and natural disasters can lead to dangerous and costly accidents. The 1986 Chernobyl disaster in Ukraine led to the death of employees in the initial explosion and has had variety of negative health effects on thousands across Russia and Eastern Europe. A massive tsunami bypassed the safety mechanisms of several power plants in 2011, causing 3 nuclear meltdowns at a power plant in Fukushima, Japan, resulting in the release of radioactive materials into the surrounding area. Cancer risk. Studies show increased risk of cancer, that is leukemia, for those who reside near a nuclear power plant. Not enough sites. Nuclear plants need to be located near a source of water for cooling, and there are not enough locations in the world that are safe from flooding, hurricanes, earthquake, or other potential disasters that could trigger a nuclear accident. Cost. Nuclear power is nearly 10 times more expensive to build than utility scale solar on a cost per kilowatt basis. It is suggested that the cost of per kilowatt for solar energy is less than $1,000, while the comparable cost per kilowatt for nuclear power is between $6,500 to $12,250. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Do subscribe Amazing Money for more such videos and press the notification bell.